as recommended today's stock of the day. Of course, the stock of the day, Palantir. Look at this. Bam. That is one heck of a move. She's mentioned to us many times. So let's bring in Danielle Shay, Simpler Trading VP of Options. All right, so Palantir now, they've come out. They're not a software company. They're not a consulting company. They're not a data company. They should have never traded like any of those names with vis-a-vis AI. And so it's got this unique niche. Will it keep moving higher?
Yes, Charles, I think so. I mean, a couple of weeks ago, we talked about the fact that this stock was in a weekly squeeze and getting ready to break out. This earnings report was the catalyst, and now we're seeing extreme incoming volume with breaks of overhead resistance. So with a 3x move after the earnings report, I think it's going to keep going and trade back up to previous all-time highs.
Yeah, I mean, this has been a long time coming. I think they gypped Alex Karp on a few prior earnings estimates, but he's getting all back today. All right, the next name, and this is a name people keep asking me about. SpaceX has captured the public's imagination, popped on the IPO. It's come all the way down, and Wall Street's got a big 40% short on it. So everyone's kind of concerned. Here's folks after your second quarter earnings. 2 days later, they get to let some stock out, 20%, 20%. Eventually, by the end of the year, all of the insider stock will be available for trading. We know that as investors. We know that as traders. So beyond that, what should we be looking for?
Well, Charles, there are a lot of reasons for this stock to fall. It's the first report. People are betting against it. You know, you have retail traders that bought the high. But the point of the matter is that with this stock, with such high short float and the fact that it's up so much today, plus a $20 expected move, if the SpaceX can have a positive reaction after the report, we could get a massive short squeeze. So, you know, let's say, for example, it trades up into 150, especially up above 160. That's really where I would expect it to break out. So That's what I'm looking for.
Wow. And by the way, the buying began late yesterday. And that wasn't so-called dumb money. Someone knows something or feels something. Let's talk about yesterday. You bought some Nvidia and Dell. You just heard Howard saying he loaded up on Dell. He obviously is a technician seeing what you saw yesterday. What is it?
Charles, I love trading stocks before earnings, especially when they break out above the 50 simple in the case of Nvidia. And you have Nvidia and Dell both with upcoming earnings reports at the end of August and the beginning of September. These stocks are very strong. They've done really well surrounding earnings, and they both had daily squeezes that were getting ready to break out. Now, Dell has already traded up about 9% today, but I actually think it can keep going. I have a price target of 500, and then after that, I think it can trade up into 525, 530.
Mm-hmm. A-Labs, you got a few names that are nearing breakouts. I saw your notes. A-Lab is one of them. What is it that you need to see to pull the trigger here? It's right at the 50.
So I'm invested in this name, and I've made a couple different buys throughout the year. And one of my favorite places to buy some more is when a stock recovers up above the 50 simple on the daily chart. This is because this is a spot that a lot of people like to bet against. But if and when the stock can explode through that zone, that's generally where it reverses back into the bullish trend. So I actually love the breakout right here. I think because it's up above that zone, it's going to keep going and head on back to the previous high.
AMD is reporting. Would you be long into the report?
I own stock in AMD, but I will tell people that the earnings reports typically don't do very well. A lot of the time, AMD will trade lower after earnings. Right. However, last quarter, finally, it had an explosive move. So fingers crossed we can get 2 positive reports in a row. You can see that there's a lot of buying coming into AMD. I love the company. I love Lisa Su. And ideally, we'll see another positive earnings report today.
I think Lisa Su is the wild card. Wall Street loves her. You know, she's done a lot. She's changed that company, and she's earned this sort of thing that very few CEOs get. That's called the benefit of the doubt. All right, Nebius. Nebius has sort of been all over the place. Earlier today, I had this big screen where it showed open source, hybrid, and closed source, and one of the winners, no matter what, will be Neo Cloud.
I like this one here, Charles. I've been buying more shares as it's pulled back, and it did have a pretty substantial pullback. However, again, it's breaking up through that 50 simple, and this ticker has 30% short float. So whenever you see a break up through a previous resistance zone, plus a lot of people betting against the shares, that's really where it can take off. So I like this name. I like it especially because it has earnings next week, and the stock does historically rally going into earnings as well. So that could be another positive catalyst in this name.
I just got to show the audience. I mean, so we got this great uptrend, but within that, the stock collapsed from 220 to less than 150, and then back to 225 in the blink of an eye. You know what? They're wild names, but this is how you make the money, taking advantage of that volatility. Danielle, thanks a lot. Talk to you real soon.
Thank you.
Folks, it's Cheryl Casone.